guys, Stu in Tokyo here, Tokyo Craftsman. Doing something a little bit different today. Just trying a little short vlog here with doing it on my new phone. I got a Google Pixel 4a 5G, I think it's called. It's supposed to have a pretty good camera, so I thought I'd try it out. I'm in my workshop, my upper workshop, my welding shop, storage area. And I have this drill press here. And this drill press is one that I got from a friend of a friend. The fellow's father-in-law had passed away. And this is a really good old Hitachi drill press. Apparently the guy used to be an engineer at Hitachi. It was probably from about the 1970s, I'm guessing, from just looking at it. And I have a good drill press already in my workshop up here. That's the one there that I restored myself. And I have another decent one downstairs, a Delta variable speed one. But I really like this old Hitachi better. And I found a new home for the Delta variable speed one, which would be much appreciated. And also, I also have this vise here that is also going to the same place because I have that big one there. I don't need this small one. Anyways, so I'm going to show you guys how I put stuff down in my workshop because everybody always asks. Okay, so this is the hatch down here to my workshop underground. And I have an electric hoist here, do 150 kilograms. I also have a 2-ton chain hoist when I had to put my saw stop in there. So I have this already rigged up. I have a strap around it. I have a little card here. So what I usually do is I put this here, and then I take this and make that centered. Okay, so now I'm ready to go down into the workshop. So I have a long cable on this controller for the hoist, so I can kind of go down and guide it down as it goes because I need to get by my stairs. I took all the handles and everything off of this drill press, so, oops, turn the lights off, so I wouldn't break them on the way down. Get past that step. Okay, that's basically it. Now I'll take you downstairs and show you what I do. So I've got it to here. I'm going to put it on that table there, take my controller, and oh, stand up. Oh. Okay, that's it. It's safely in the workshop. The only problem I got to do is I got to get from here to over there, where the other one is on its table. But I'll do that next. So let's see how portable this drill is. I'm going to take it from that bench to this bench. It's heavy, man. Oh, it's top heavy. Okay, got it to there. Now I have to go over here and clean up that mess. Oh, my microphone's in the camera. Clean up that mess, and then I got to take this drill press and take it upstairs. Okay, that's a lot cleaner. Now, I have all of my nuts and bolts and screws. I guess you can't see that in the top shelf. You can see it. I have all my nuts and bolts and screws and everything in here. I got a big, huge, you can see it, down all the way to there. Hope you can see that. And it's a little bit high because I needed a certain number of pack things or organizers for all the stuff I had. I could use more actually. This is a bit high than, I mean, it's a bit awkward to use for the drill press, but you know, I can stand on a box. Sometimes when you're working in a small shop, you got to compromise, right guys? So anyways, this now is ready to come off of here, but I was thinking, there's a mess all around this thing all the time. Every time I use to cut anything, you know, the crap goes everywhere and it's a big mess. One of the problems is it's hard to sweep off with this base sitting on top like that. So I've been thinking when I put the new drill press on here, maybe what I might do is put like build this up with some wood and even put some sides on it that come up a few inches and on the back, not on the front, and then build like a thin skin base that goes over this, so this is all one big smooth spot, so it's very easy to sweep off. Might be an idea, because like this thing on the bottom here is designed that you could move the table out of the way and you could put a vise on the bottom and drill some. I've never ever used that function on any drill press I've ever had. Just never done it, so I don't really see the point. So now I'm going to take this off, and actually what I'm going to do is, because this cart is on wheels, I'm going to move it over to the bench and take it off, and then put the old new drill press on top of here, and then bolt it down and move it back, so I don't have to lift it like an idiot. So stay tuned. I just ran into a new problem. Yeah, this kind of interferes with everything I have. This is an air cleaner that I have in my Incra positioner thing here. So I can't actually bring it this way to come to the table. It's going to be almost impossible to do that. So I guess I'm going to have to move everything out of there and go over there and move that stuff and put it over there and do the swap over there. Yeah, this happens the whole time. Small workshop problems. Okay, I got that one off of there and got this in here. You can see the new one. The new old one's a bit taller, not much. So now I'm going to move that green one onto there and then build a thing for it. Thought you guys might enjoy seeing me struggle to move this thing over there. It's heavy. I'm going to lift it about 8 inches. Hopefully I can do it. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's usually good. I'm getting too old for this shit. Oh, thing's heavy. That fits in the old spot, I guess. It is kind of high, but I have a box right here I can stand on to use it, so it'll be fine. Compromise is in a small shop. That's what happens. Everybody out there with a small shop knows exactly what I'm talking about. Got it moved. I gotta get this one upstairs and take it over to my buddy who bought it from me. I know he's gonna put good use to it. I think I'm going to make another video when I make the thing. Peace out, everybody. Take care, stay safe, all the rest of that stuff. Bye-bye.